Y'all, what's good? It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris. Welcome back to your girl's channel and welcome back to the Twistout 201 series, episode 6. If you are new to the Curly Chris family, make sure you do one thing for your girl, and that is to smash that button down below. Smash that button down below, people, okay? Smash it like you mean it. Go ahead and join part of the Curly Chris family. Also, if you have been caught up with the Twistout 201 series, then you know each and every video is a giveaway as well. So drop down in the comment section right now. First person to answer the question correctly will win a giveaway prize. No one person can win 2 giveaways, so keep that in mind as well. So this episode of the Twistout 201 series will be all about your nighttime routine, okay? So what do I do at nighttime to keep my hair popping for a week plus? Like, sis, what's the tea, okay? Before I go ahead and get into that tea, I do want to announce that your girl is coming out with natural hair consultations, okay? Yes, y'all, I am coming up with a new service, and that will be my natural hair consultations by Curly Chris, and I'm about to explain what that means. So if you do want to skip past this, which I hope you don't, but if you do, then I will leave the timestamp right above where I get into the details of today's video. But if you are interested in learning about these natural hair consultations and how you can book yourself one, let's go ahead and talk about it. So as you guys know, I did the Twistout 101 series about 7 months ago. I got overwhelming response from everyone. Now I'm doing the Twistout 201 series. This is the last episode of the series, and this one was just to dive deeper into your natural hair and telling you guys more about your porosity, your density, your routine versus what products work best for you. So with that in mind, I want to take it a step further as well, and I'm going to come out with natural hair consultations. So I am super excited about this. So there are 3 consultation options. All of them will be one-on-one consultations on Zoom. So you guys are going to see me face to face on a video conference. So the first option is going to be the 30-minute consultation. So for 30 minutes, we're going to talk about your hair regimen, your hair goals, your hair concerns. Also determine your hair density, your hair porosity. So this option is geared toward putting you on the right track to get your hair regimen together, okay? So this is a very important consultation option because so many people have hair concerns, and we will dive into those concerns and come up with resolutions together. A lot of you guys rely on me for my natural hair advice, so I feel like this is going to be a poppin' service to get you guys visually, and so you guys can do it together with me for your hair. Okay, so the second option is going to be the 60-minute consultation. 1 whole hour with your girl, one-on-one. We're gonna do everything for the 30-minute consultation, as well as dive into your natural hair products and see, are these products really what you should be using on your hair, okay? Are they too heavy? Are they not giving you enough hold? Is that why your styles are not coming out correct because you're using the wrong kind of products? We're going to dive into what you are purchasing for your hair. In addition to that, for the 60-minute consultation, I will make recommendations on what type of styles and what styling tips you should be catering towards based on your hair type, okay? So listen, the 60-minute consultation is getting you for real ready for this styling process, and I'm giving you you're gonna already know your porosity, your density. We're gonna talk your hair care regimen, your hair concerns, and your goals, and then we're gonna actually get the right products to get you on that right track. As I always say, product is not the solution, it's just a helper once you get the right regimen for your hair, okay? Now, let's get into this last option, the luxurious option that is my absolute favorite. That is the twist out consultation. This is going to be 4 sessions, y'all, okay? 4 sessions with your girl one-on-one, and each session will be 1 hour long, okay? So basically 4 hours with your girl, not all in one day because I got things to do. But it's gonna be 1 hour for each session. And what this is gonna do is everything for the 60-minute consultation plus 3 additional sessions where we're going to be styling your hair together. Sis, did you hear me? We're going to be styling your hair together. I prefer to style your twist out with you, okay? So I want to do your twist out with you one-on-one on the camera. The first session will be us installing the twist out. The second will be us taking it down. And the third will be analyzing the results and what all we think we can do to improve, the pros, the cons, the improvements, okay? This is my absolute favorite option of them all because we are actually going to be styling your twist out together. So many people have told me that you guys really do enjoy the tips that I share for my hair, and it has really worked for you guys. And then I also have people tell me that the tips that I give, they kind of work, but their hair, they still are kind of lost in the sauce with what they should really do. For this consultation, we're gonna actually look at your hair and see what we can do for your hair, okay? So that's the 3 options, a summary of them. But if you are interested in booking any of these consultations, I am opening up 30 slots only, sis, okay? I am starting out with 30 slots. So you need to drop in a description box, click on that link to my website, look at how cute it is and everything, and then click on that natural hair consultation page and book your consultation with your girl, okay? Because look, I'm only doing 30 slots right now, so if you want this spot, you need to go ahead and smash that button, click on that link down below in the description box, book that consultation with your girl, and let's go ahead and dive into your natural hair strands, sis. Alright, so now that we've gotten that out the way, hopefully you done went ahead and booked your consultation. Let's go ahead and get into the purpose of today's video, and that is the nighttime routine. So I've done 2 other nighttime routines. I did one, the Twist Out 101 series, and then I just did like a random one like a few months ago. But I really wanted to do this one as well because what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys a new band that I purchased that I really have been liking for my nighttime routine, and it's so simple. So this is like day 4 or day 4 hair, I think, or something like that. It's kind of shrunken because I'm in Louisiana, so the humidity is crazy out here, and whew, it's shrinking my hair like crazy. Austin, I don't deal with all that really. So whenever I go to get ready for nighttime, my nighttime routine, I tie my hair up, wash my face, all that good stuff. So my edges are slayed right now. They kind of lifting a little bit, but we're gonna just go ahead and zoom right past that. So what I do is pull my hair to the back like this. And this is the one that I've been doing as of lately, and I really have been enjoying it. Then what I purchased, y'all, is this Megan Good. She came out with these hair ties, and basically it's a long hair tie where your head goes right here and then all of your hair falls right here. So if you even having like a weave of some braids or sewing your natural hair, this is so good. And why I really wanted to buy it and support was because of this part in the front where I can slay my edges and lay my edges down as well as tie my hair down, so I can do it all in one. What I've done in the previous nighttime routines, if you watched, is I tie up my edges and then I put my bonnet on. But with this one, I can do it all in one. So that's what I do. So I pull this to the back, I take this, and it's so easy. I put this into like a little ponytail just with my hands. I don't actually put a ponytail holder on it. And then I'm putting my hair in the back part of this, let it fall. So simple. Find the middle and go like this. And then, let me tuck my hair. You want your hair to go in the inside of this thing. And this is what I've been doing every night since I've done my hair, and it does not smush my curls or anything. So I push it all the way back to the back, and then make sure my edges are covered. I cover up my edges, and then I simply tie it. Just like this. And I tie it up here at the top. Make sure my edges are slayed, so the night before you can slay your edges. That's what I like to do. And then, y'all, literally that's it. And I go to bed. And y'all, when I tell y'all, At first, the first night I did this is because I was just like, man, I'm actually kind of lazy and I don't feel like tying up my hair like my normal routine. So I was like, let me just do this quick one step. And I woke up, y'all, and my curls were popping. Like, my curls were still popping, and I was like, oh, okay. Okay, Megan. Okay, Miss Good. We see you. What's good? We see you. Like, y'all, it literally keeps my edges slayed. My hair is to the back. Everything is all in this silk. Everything is protected. Like, I absolutely love this little wrap, okay? And if you follow me on my Instagram, you saw that when she dropped it, I was like, oh, I got to try this. So I went ahead and purchased it. And then whenever I wake up in the morning, y'all, I sleep maybe for like 5 hours, something like that. I wake up in the morning and y'all, I even sleep on my hair like this. Like, I sleep on it like this and my hair is not smushed when I wake up. And then when I wake up in the morning, I take it off, I shake, like that. I fluff it out a little bit. And literally, I go. Like, y'all, I cannot even lie to you. I go. Like, this is what I do, sis. Every single night. And it's that simple. Like, I fluff it out, shake it out, and then I dip. Like, that simple. So the other technique that I recommend is my Old Faithful, and that is whenever I use my satin scarf. I use my satin scarf and I tie it around my edges, and then on top of that I put my satin lined bonnet. I love the Isocan Inoue bonnets. You guys know that. This is one of their bonnets. They're super, super big, so I love them. It fits all my hair, especially whenever I'm doing like my stretch twist outs, okay? It fits all of my hair and I love it. So I don't want to make this video longer or anything, because if you guys do want to see my other nighttime routines, feel free to watch my other 2 videos where I went into more detail of my routines. I also want to point out, you have to sleep on a satin pillowcase, sis, okay? Satin pillowcase is where it's at. You cannot try to do this without a satin pillowcase, because say that falls off, any one of those methods I just now showed, your hair cannot be touching cloth, okay? It needs to touch satin still, because what satin does is eliminates friction, and that eliminates frizz. So if you are sleeping on cotton, we need to have a talk. Me and you one-on-one, okay? Book a consultation just so I can roast you, please. No, I'm playing. I wouldn't roast you, but I'm gonna get you together, okay? So make sure that you have satin. I also like satin sheets sometimes, because I'm like, hey, what if the pillow move? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you gotta still have some satin just in case. But anyway, make sure you have satin, y'all, because it's so important. And then those are the 2 techniques that I recommend. If you do not have this Megan Good scarf, of course you can simply just like use a regular scarf and tie your hair down like that. However, the only issue that I say with that is I feel like you would smush your hair more with like a regular scarf, because the way that it lays on your hair. Whereas with the one that I got from Megan's Good website it's like forgiving around this area, so it doesn't smush my hair. It has a lot of space, so that is just like a method I really do like. However, like I said, if you do not have that, most definitely try to use a scarf. I am not a big fan of the pineappling, because for my hair, after about day 3 or day 4, and I try to push all my hair up to the top of my head, it's not falling back down like it was the day before. So my hair is too thick for that, and my hair gets too frizzy whenever I do all that foolishness. So I'm not a fan of that. If you can do that on your hair, then cool, that's great. As far as the low pineapples go, that is also a great technique, but I don't do it either, okay? So I'm showing you guys what I do for my hair. I keep it very, very simple at nighttime. I don't do all that extravagant stuff, sis. I'm not even gonna lie to you, okay? So that's basically my nighttime routine. If I did not have that Megan Good scarf, I would be using my bonnet and my satin scarf that I tie around my edges. That is my go-to nighttime routine. I really do hope you guys enjoyed the Twist Out 201 series. I'm already getting a whole lot of great feedback from you guys. so many of y'all tell me that y'all really are appreciating this series, okay? I'm really helping you guys, which makes me so happy. I do want to go a step beyond, and I want you guys to book my natural hair consultations. I am only opening 30 slots to begin with. My prices are affordable. I just want to see your hair flourish, and I want to do it with you one-on-one. You guys know I truly do care about you guys perfecting your styles. We are a family. That's how I feel over here, okay? So go ahead, click that link in my description box below, book your consultation, and they are starting ASAP, y'all. Like, I am starting these consultations ASAP, okay? So go ahead, claim your spot, all that good stuff, sis, and I'm gonna see you guys one-on-one in our consultation session or in my next video or on Instagram. But if you are new to my channel, I do want to see you back again. So go ahead and smash that button for your girl, okay? And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video, hopefully also in that consultation. And thank you guys so much for supporting the Twist Out 201 series. I am so excited, in case you cannot tell, for what's next to come with these consultations. So see you guys in my next video or my consultation. Mwah.